Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Sticky Goop is probably one of the most satisfying cleaning tools you can have for your car. It's designed to effortlessly lift away dust, crumbs, and grime from those hard-to-reach places. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Sticky Goop, testing its effectiveness, and showing you how it can transform your car's interior from a mess to a masterpiece. Number 5. COLORCORAL Car Cleaning Gel. This is a simple and convenient cleaning kit. It's perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach places like car vents and keyboards. The cleaning putty is made of natural gel. It's not sticky and has a pleasant lavender fragrance. It is safe for your skin. Make sure your hands are dry and clean. Take a piece of the gel, knead it, and press it into the area you want to clean. Then, pull it out to remove dust. You can use it repeatedly until the color darkens or it becomes sticky. Then, replace it with a new one. Remember to store it in a cool place after use. The package includes 1 can of the universal cleaning gel. If you have any issues, please contact us for a replacement. What we like. This cleaning gel has a refreshing lavender scent, making your cleaning experience more enjoyable. Its non-sticky formula ensures it won't leave any residue behind. If you're looking for a pleasant-smelling and effective way to clean your car's interior, you should consider this. What people say. Works great for getting to dust in hard-to-reach spaces. Worked well to get into the cracks and crevices and remove the debris. Excellent product and does work well. I used in my car dash in crevices in car that are hard to reach. Number 4. FiveJoy Car Cleaning Gels, 4-pack. Tired of dust and dirt in your car and electronics? These cleaning gels are the perfect solution. They are designed to reach those hard-to-clean areas. This versatile cleaner is perfect for car interiors, keyboards, and more. It effectively cleans various surfaces, making your life easier. It is a convenient cleaning kit for many products. Using it is incredibly simple. Just press the gel onto the surface, roll, and lift to remove dirt. This helps you save time and effort. Made with biodegradable gel, it's safe for you and the environment. The light fragrance is refreshing and it won't irritate your skin. Please keep it away from babies. The 4-pack comes in multiple colors and removes dust quickly. It eliminates 99.99% of harmful particles. It leaves no residue behind. These cleaners can be reused until they lose their transparency. The independent bag packaging is convenient. Store it in a cool place away from direct sunlight. What we like. This car cleaning kit comes in multiple colors, adding a bit of fun to your cleaning routine. It's made with eco-friendly materials, so you can clean with peace of mind. If you are looking for a cleaning kit that is easy to store and use, this is a great choice. What people say. It works well to remove crumbs, dust and the little residue that gathers in crevices over time. Each gel pack is individually sealed in a plastic bag. It works so well picking up the dust in the slats, makes things so much easier. Number 3. COLORCORAL 2-pack Cleaning Gel. This is a simple and convenient cleaning kit. It's perfect for keyboards, car vents, and other hard-to-reach places. It's designed to make cleaning easy. This cleaning gel is made of natural gel. It's not sticky and has a pleasant lemon fragrance. It's safe for your skin. Make sure your hands are dry and clean. Simply press the gel into the area you want to clean and then pull it out. The dust will stick to it. You can reuse it until it changes color or becomes sticky. Then, simply replace it with a new one. Remember to store it in a cool place. The package includes 2 packs of cleaning gel. If you have any issues, please contact us. We're here to help you with the best solution. What we like. With a refreshing lemon fragrance, this cleaning gel will leave your car smelling fresh. It's designed to be reused until it changes color, making it a cost-effective option. If you like a product that is easy to use and offers great value, you should consider this. What people say. It works great for cleaning the car vents. This stuff is amazing at getting into all the little crevices in my car. It picks up all the dust and dirt. Number 2. TICARVE 2-Pack Car Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning gel is perfect for getting into all those hard-to-reach places in your car. It easily picks up dust, crumbs, and pet hair, leaving your car interior spotless. Simply push the cleaning putty into the cracks and crevices, and watch it grab all the dirt. It's also great for keyboards and other surfaces, just press and pull it out slowly. This car gel can be used multiple times until it changes color. After use, just store it in its jar in a cool place, ready for the next cleaning session. Made from a high-tech material, this cleaning putty is rose-colored and has a pleasant cherry blossom scent. It's sticky enough to grab dust but won't stick to your hands, leaving no residue behind. This dust cleaning gel isn't just for cars, it's also great for cleaning keyboards, printers, phones, and other rugged surfaces around your home and office. Make sure the surface is dry for best results. What we like. This car cleaning putty has a delightful rose scent, making your car smell amazing. It's made from a high-tech material that effectively grabs dust and debris. If you want a cleaning solution that's versatile and leaves no residue, then this is perfect for you. What people say. It gets into all those little places that I can't properly clean with a paper towel or vacuum. I used it in my car, and it helped with all the dust and little particles that are in the car. It picks up everything and makes it look nice and clean. Number 1. TICARVE 2-Pack Car Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning gel is perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach places in your car. It easily grabs dust, crumbs, and pet hair from vents and crevices. It's a simple solution for a spotless interior. Using this detailing gel is incredibly simple. Just press it into the gaps and crevices, and it will pick up all the dirt. You can also use it on keyboards and other surfaces. This cleaning gel is designed for multiple uses. You can reuse it until it becomes dark and dirty. Simply store it in its jar in a cool place after each use. Made from a high-tech material, this cleaning putty has a pleasant magnolia flower scent. It's sticky enough to grab dust but won't stick to your hands. It leaves no residue behind. This auto detail gel isn't just for cars, it's also great for your home and office. Use it to clean keyboards, printers, phones, and more. Just make sure the surface is dry before use. What we like. This car cleaning gel has a pleasant magnolia scent, which will make your car smell fresh. It's easy to use and can be reused multiple times. If you are looking for a cleaning solution that is easy to use and offers great value, then you should consider this. What people say. It gets into all those little places that I can't properly clean with a paper towel or vacuum. I used it in my car, and it helped with all the dust and little particles that are in the car. It picks up everything and makes it look nice and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.